Okay guys, the most nutritious food you can eat is this, toilet paper. What's up, Ruñas? What's up, guys? Today we're going to do something very delicious. When you wake up in the morning very early, for example, you are working and it's like 3 a.m. and you want to eat something, but you still want to just work, you can eat very quick meals, very easy meals. So today I'm going to teach you how to prepare very quick meals to 3 a.m. So let's get started. Yeah. Okay, seriously, my friend, the first meal could be just a glass of water, you know? Yeah, a glass of water works, but you need to eat something, not something solid like this. You need to eat something like this. Okay, the second meal could be banana. Okay, this is very simple. All you need to do is this, and so you need a dish, a knife, a fork. Yes. This seems delicious. Okay. Another option could be cereals. This is great because it's very easy. All you need to do is just So if you want to just work and eat something very quickly, just eat cereal. It's a great option. Yeah. What the hell? So all you need is oatmeal, coconut, peanut butter, walnuts, banana, and some milk. Also, if you want, you can add a scoop of protein, you know, protein. I don't have that, so it doesn't matter. With all of this, works. Okay guys, this is very easy and very nutritious, so enjoy. ASMR with one delicious. You know, bro, one of the advantage of waking up early is this. It's very peaceful. There is just silence. Shut the fuck up. No phone messages, no emails, no one is calling you, no interruptions. So you can be very focused, and that is deep work. The bad thing is that you cannot scream. Sometimes you feel very lonely, but I think that's the price to deep work. But yeah, I don't know. Remember, if you want to work, you need to eat. A healthy mind is in a healthy body. Remember that. Take care and see you next time. Roñas.